Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enter pairing mode manually on your Sennheiser CX Plus. So to do this you have to open this charging case and remove both earbuds, and then clean and hold the touchpads together until these indicators start blinking like that on the red and the blue. Right now we can release when they are blinking. Put them close to your phone, click to pair new device. You can just simply select them from the list, click pair. And sometimes the left and the right are not synchronized. As you can see right now we get another pairing request. And to synchronize them we get this simple way. We have to put both earbuds inside the charging case and basically wait until this earbuds synchronize. We have to wait for like 20 seconds. So let's do this and wait a little bit. Okay, right now we can simply remove them from the charging case. You have to also remember to do not close the cover of this charging case when they synchronize for that 20 seconds. And as you can see right now they are connected back, and I'm gonna check if they are synchronized. So I'm gonna play some music. Yeah, let me just play one more time. Yeah, definitely the left and the right are synchronized, they are playing together. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.